Hey mga laagan, so today nandito tayo sa Gmall Bahada sa Euro Cafe at dahil nga ang daming tao sa mga inasal, dito tayo tatry sa Euro Cafe at meron din silang buy one take one na tuna panini sandwich. So what we've ordered is chicken a la king with corn and plain rice, and ang order naman ni boyfriend is spam, egg, corned beef with kamatis and fried rice. So, dahil nga hindi tayo ready, so filter muna tayo for today's video dahil di tayo nakapag-ayos. So, titikman natin ang chicken a la king nila. So, what I can say is it's okay naman. Actually, masarap talaga yung sauce nila and malambot din yung chicken nila. I also ordered their choco, which is made of tablea, kaya masarap. Also have a charging port, so pwede kayo makicharge for 50 pesos. And here's their menu. You can pause na lang po for you to check. And all in all, goods naman ang experience sa Euro Cafe. So this is our first time and we'll make sure na babalik kami.